Hi, today I'll show you how to transfer money from PayPal to Binance using USDT. First, log into your Binance account in your browser. Now open the SkipShift website in a new tab. We'll use it as a bridge between PayPal and Binance. On SkipShift, select the currency as USD. For the coin, choose USDT on the Tether network. Next, go back to Binance. From the homepage, click Deposit and choose Deposit Crypto. Search for USDT and select it. For the network, choose BNB Smart Chain. Copy the deposit address that Binance shows you. Return to SkipShift. Enter the amount you want to send and connect using your email. Then paste the wallet address you copied from Binance. Check all the details carefully and click Submit Trade or Let's Go to confirm. That's it. Your PayPal funds will be converted to USDT and sent to your Binance wallet once the transaction is processed. Hope this video was helpful. Subscribe to my channel not to miss next videos.